Hey creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got something amazing to share with you all. How to remove text from videos without blur, but I've also found a way to do it without cropping or sacrificing video quality. Let's dive right into the tutorial. The first solution we'll explore is Canva Video Editor. It's a fantastic tool that's completely free for editing and cropping videos online. Let's jump into it. First, open Canva Editor. Once you're in the editor, click on Create a Design. Then select your favorite video settings. Once you have selected, click on it. Then click on Upload section. Then click on Upload Files. Then select your video from the File Explorer. Then add the video to the Canva editor. Now, simply crop out the part containing the text or watermark. Once you've done that, click on Share and select the option to download. Easy, right? Then download the video. But what if the text or watermark is in the middle of the screen? Not to worry. I've got another solution for you. There is another method to remove the watermark or text from the video. Open your favorite browser. Once it is opened, click on the search bar. Then search for HitPaw Online AI Watermark Remover Online. Then click Enter. Then click on HitPaw Remove Watermark from Videos Online free and fast. This online tool is not only free but also maintains the video quality. Once it is opened, click on Upload Video. Then after this click on Choose File. After this select File from the File Explorer. After selecting, click on Open. Then video will start importing. Then select the text you want to remove from the video like I am doing. After editing, click on Export. Then select if you want to export with HitPaw logo or without HitPaw logo. If you want to export without HitPaw logo, then you have to upgrade. You have to buy a package. After selecting, click on Export. I am exporting with HitPaw logo. The choice is yours. Then click on Export. And the exporting process will be started. After video is exported, click on Download. As you can see that video is downloading. Once the video is downloaded, open it to see the result. You can also see the difference between before and after. And that's how you remove text from videos without blur online and free. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.